morning. Today is a sad day because it is the last day we have here in Scotland. Kelsey is leaving for the airport in just a few minutes, and then I'm leaving for the train station not too long after. Today will be mostly traveling, and then I am going to meet up with a friend from camp. I'm very excited about that, but I am sad that Kelsey is leaving me. I'll see her literally in like a week, so it's fine. It's fine. Okay, bye. Okay, all my stuff is packed, ready to go to the train. So currently I have 4 bags. I mean, you know, it's not that bad. Like, that one's my camera bag. That's obviously my majority of my stuff. That is, my toiletries are in there, and my sweater. And then that's my souvenirs from Scotland. So I need to get all of this stuff condensed into 2 bags if I can help it. 3 if I decide to check that one. And I also will be in London and probably will buy some stuff in London. So pray for me. Pray for me, guys. I've got about 4 hours on this train, and then I'll be at King's Cross. From there, I need to take a train to Hyde Park. That's where my first hostel will be in London. And that's where I'll be meeting Annie. Yay! I did actually make it to London, I promise. It's been quite a few hours, and I've met up with someone. So everyone, this is Annie. Hello. I met her in camp, and we haven't seen each other in about 9 months. So it's really cool seeing her here in London. And we went to go see Rocky Horror tonight, and it was amazing. They did such a fantastic job. Good. Yeah. I mean, we got you're right, smash. And right now we're kind of rushing to get to a bus to get back to the hostel.
What's this picture?
It's a video. You see how it's counting and it says record? So we're waiting for the bus. We are having a hard time finding that. Damn, I do look tan next to you, especially.
I'm wearing fake tan. I'm tan foundation. Like, I should be tan.
Do you have anything to say about your first Rocky Horror feature?
Smash.
Smash?
Smash. Yeah. Big smash.
Yeah.
Still not our bus. No.
Yeah.
Rocky Horror would recommend to a friend. Good shout. By me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
No. Very good. Full stop. Nothing. No further comments at this time.
Annie, why you have to leave me so soon? How's your extremely expensive croissant?
Tastes like it, how expensive it is.
Yeah, that's
I
good.
spent like my whole mortgage on it.
Good morning from a beautiful, beautiful day here in London. I have moved from the first hostel we were in here to my new one, but now I'm headed over to Notting Hill to check out that neighborhood, walk around the Portobello Market. That's one thing last time I was here in London that I did not get to do that I really wanted to. So I'm super excited to be able to do that. Alright, so we're in Notting Hill now, and it is so beautiful and also so crowded. It is a Saturday, so I'm not surprised, but I'm very excited to walk through. This little market is super famous. It's known for having a lot of great antique shops and local crafts and stuff like that. And I'm very excited to see it. Let's go join the crowd. market is insane. There's so many people, but also so many beautiful, beautiful antiques. Oh my gosh, the antique rings. The cheapest one I found was like 400 pounds, but I want one so bad. I'm taking a break and having a little falafel wrap lunch before continuing on looking around Notting Hill. Come back here to the Natural History Museum because it's my favorite one here in London, and I will never get tired of looking at the architecture. It's just so pretty. It is, however, extremely crowded in here, way more crowded than it was in March, and it is hot. Like I am sweating, but it's just amazing to sit here and like take in this room. Really sad that it might be the last time it won't be the last time I see it, but last time I've in a while. Good morning from the London Heathrow Airport. Today I am leaving London and flying back to the US. I have 3 flights today and it is going to be a very long day. I did not sleep last night and I have been traveling since about 2 in the morning today. This will mark the end of the Europe part of my trip and I have had the most amazing time. I will reflect on that later though because I want to tell y'all about my morning. I had some pretty rough anxiety today or last night. I was very worried about getting to the airport on time and not waking up on time and all of that, so I could not sleep. And I originally planned on taking a bus, and the bus was going to leave at like 2:45 a.m. and obviously I want to get to the airport at least 2 hours early, so I would have had to leave around like 2, and I was super worried about that, so I just ended up staying up all night editing and all of that. And so I go and walk 10, like 11 minutes. It's not that much, but when I'm carrying all of my things and it's in the middle of the night in a big city and I'm alone, I do struggle with that. So I walked about 10-15 minutes to the bus stop and the station was closed. They were not running that one, and I didn't have Wi-Fi and I didn't have data, so I was freaking out a little bit. I decided to use the Free Now app and get a rideshare, and it ended up being the best thing. It was way more expensive than the airport bus would have been, but in that kind of situation, it would have, and seeing how much I'm going to be traveling in the next few days, it saved me some some anxiety and some stress for sure. And also it could have saved my life because I was out there clearly vulnerable with all of my things in the middle of the night. But anyway, I am at the airport now and I am all safe and sound. I've got 3 flights today. This one to Frankfurt, and then another one to New York, and then another one to Atlanta. And once I get to Atlanta, I will be staying in a hostel there because I am going to be so completely zonked out, I'm sure. I'm a little worried about my tickets because I was only able to check in for my first flight, so I'm not really sure what that means. But we will figure that out soon. For now though, I am going to drink my coffee and sit here and try to rest a bit before the flight. Okay, so it is about 9 hours later. I've made it to New York. Went back through the security and customs and all of that. Yeah, the flight was nice. It was fine. There was some turbulence, but otherwise it was good. I am a little worried though because the gate agent this morning, I guess it would be this morning, the gate agent this morning told me that my bag would make it all the way to Atlanta, but I had never checked bags, so I'm very worried that I was supposed to pick it up here in New York and then carry it, but I don't think that that's the case. It hasn't moved from the terminal that I got here in. On my my air tag has shown that it's still over there, so I'm a little anxious about that, but I am certainly not as upset as I was earlier today. Also, my flight was delayed, so originally it was 3 hours, but now it's just to 6, so I'm just chilling. And the gate has been changed a few times, so we're definitely having to be flexible today, but we're almost there. We're almost to Atlanta and we're almost home. Good morning, everyone. It is May 23rd, and oh my god, I need to catch you up on what happened last night. I did not pick up my luggage in New York because I thought it was coming all the way here, and then my little air tag let me know as soon as I got to Atlanta that that was not the case. So I definitely had a little breakdown about that, and then I talked to the people at JetBlue, which was the airline that I did my last leg with. They filed a missing baggage request, so it should be coming to my mom's house within a week or so, so that's good. I won't lose all the things that were in that bag, and specifically the bag itself. I would really love to have my backpack. That being said, I did not have any clothes last night. I didn't have most of my toiletries, hence the looking like crap. But you know what? It is okay because we are almost home. Right now I am waiting at the station, the Westlake station over here in Atlanta. I'm taking a train to the bus stop, and then I'm gonna hop on a Greyhound bus and make my way back home. Exciting stuff. Excuse me, miss, is this my Uber? Hi.
Hey. Y'all didn't see the bus pull up.
It's over there.
Oh, okay. I've been looking.
I just walked out to the highway. Now I'm scared to death to pull out there.
Why?
I've been watching the cars go by to the Lord. Am I going to be able to pull out?
I mean, I can drive. I have been missing this the most out of any food while I've been in Europe. Hi, baby. Hi. That's it for this episode and the Europe chapter of my trip. But the adventures are far from over. Be sure to join me next time as I fly across the US to visit friends in Los Angeles before heading off to Southeast Asia. And as always, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more adventures. Thanks for watching.